Today I'm going to be reviewing Fivona's Sitz Bath 2-in-1 Bath Soak Kit. You're going to get the Sitz Bath Salt, which has hazel extract, pure Epsom salt, aloe vera, tea tree oil, and coconut oil to help soothe any pain you have. I'm going to show you this in the toilet, and this actually expands in the toilet. You want to lift up the seat and put this all the way in, and this expands down. So I'm going to show you what that looks like and go from there. Here is the Sitz Bath. It's completely sitting in there. You want the lid up, so when you first get started, you're going to fill this 3/4 of the way with lukewarm water. I like hotter water, but you got to be careful and know what works for you. Then you're going to put 1 tablespoon of this in there until it dissolves. You can add more if you need it, and you can also use this in a tub. You know, this is a subject most people don't like to talk about, hemorrhoids. They can be very painful, and this is a solution that will help you feel better. So by sitting in this for 10 to 20 minutes, 1 to 3 times a day, you'll speed up the natural healing. You got all natural ingredients. Alleviates the soreness and pain, eases swelling, calms irritation, and reduces discomfort. This is actually very true. Sitz baths can be very, very helpful. It's a universal fit for most toilet shapes. This is BPA free, temperature resistant material, and it can also be used as a bidet. And finally, this can be used for postpartum recovery. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.